Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Boomi, which is a very nice API management software. We'll go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about Boomi, and also we check the trial that they provide for free. So let's start. Boomi is a multi-tenant platform which houses API management, master data management, and also Atomsphere for application integration that LT can simplify your API management throughout the entire API lifecycle. With this tool, you do not need to code, as APIs can be created using a simple visual interface and can be published on cloud or on premises. You can connect your enterprise at ease using the software, as it has a 100% cloud native architecture. You do not need any complex installation at all. You can exercise a centralized control monitor your API environment with the help of a reporting dashboard within the platform. They are located in Pennsylvania. They are hosted by Dell. And also it's made for companies or businesses only. And you can run it on your Android phone so far. Hopefully even Apple. And also run it in your web browser, as I am doing at the moment. So let's check it out. They are providing, or they should provide, integrations or connect of the applications. So let's check the free trial. To the price menu, what they are offering, it's all custom. So basically you have to ask for a quotation considering your needs. So yeah. The Boomi free for 30 days. Learn why Boomi is trusted by over 18,000 plus leading brands quickly and easily unify their digital ecosystem. So you agree? Let's go with email address. But since you are using just the email and you can't really join by email or Gmail, I'm expecting that you will have to wait for verification email. Phone number. And country is Slovakia. Priority for using Boomi. Okay, yes, I would like to stay in touch with Boomi via email. Finalize setup. So, since it's all done, yeah, check your email. Okay. So let's check the email. But I'm afraid, like most of the time, it's gonna take some time. It's gonna take some time for email to arrive. So hopefully we can check something else on their website. But part of this is also, I really want to show you how it's all coming together. How long you have to wait when your boss gives you this task, and yeah, service and training, solutions. I would love to like compare it maybe to like Fire APIs or IPG. Also maybe at some sorts to Zapier. But this is a bit more harder to operate. Not in a bad way, but yeah, I'm thinking about I'm thinking about like it's more visual and it's more visual busy. So we really need to test it cautiously once they give us the permission to join. It's usually with other platforms or other softwares, it's gonna take few minutes. The longest wait was like 3 hours, but I'm not gonna make this video 3 hours long, but I'm just simultaneously refresh my email that I gave them. Maybe they have to check back it that I'm not a bot and I'm not some kind of wire. Also, I'm checking spam, guys, so don't have to worry. It's not gonna be an issue in there. So yeah, it's nice to give them a time, but not too much time. So in integrations, let's see with what we can integrate it. Deploy and manage. Yeah, I mean, they are quite huge, but so far, I wouldn't prioritize them over Zapier, or I wouldn't prioritize them over Automate.io, which is completely seamless and it's so easy. It's so easy to operate. But what we have here, integration is just one part of the APIs or integrations. So Master Hub, B2B ADI management, API management, flow, data catalog and preparation. It's so huge what they are offering. They are not only about integrations. Yeah, they are about them, but not mainly. That's why they are way bigger than Zapier or Automate.io. And it's a good thing, don't get me wrong. But so far, I'm having an issues receiving the mail. Also, there was no option for me to ask them to resend the mail. So this is a sign that it may take a while. Hopefully it won't be the case. Hopefully it won't be the case that I have to ask them again and again and again since they send me the free trial, but it should be 30 days. And I would rather cancel this video sooner and create another shorter video when I get the key, because this is making me yeah, like imagine if your boss gives you a task and you really need to be quick about it because he's waiting if you're a part of a smaller company and you will have to wait a couple of hours for confirmation email. That can get a Boomi out of the contest. And I mean, they are pretty expensive, so I believe every customer is a very valued one. Anyways, let's cut it here. If you have some kind of questions how to fill out the forms and how to navigate inside the Boomi.com, please let me know under in this video and we'll figure something out. And I'll add underneath this video a direct link for the video of actual insights or setuping of Boomi, so you don't have to worry. If you have any types of other questions about the Boomi itself, please leave it underneath this video. Leave your questions underneath this video. And yeah, see you soon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.